Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. This is a new beauty test tube subscription box for the winter box, and we're going to unbox it and give one of the items to one of you. I'm going to set it down. It's kind of a heavy box. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of December. It is the That's My Jam palette by Too Faced. Super, super cute. Looks like this. If you look in the description box down below under current giveaways, it talks about how to enter this one. There's, I think, an Ipsy one in there. There's one in there that talks about our 2,000th subscriber appreciation giveaway, in which one of the items in that giveaway, because there's a bunch in there, is a Natasha Denona Glam palette. It's one of my absolute favorite palettes. So make sure to check those out if you haven't already. As far as what is on my eyes today is the Natasha Denona Chocolate Martini set. Kind of looks like this, really, really pretty. I mainly played around with the blues and the pinks in here. So the box is $59 per quarter, and it's editor's beauty that kind of puts together this test tube. It's mainly skincare. Every once in a while you will find it in makeup items, but I've found some really, really good gems in here. I cannot wait to find out what they put in this winter box. Let's dive in. First item in here is from Color Wow. If you see me looking down, my notes are on my phone. It's a Speed Dry Blow Dry Spray. It does retail for $24. So it's a hero product from this iconic hair care brand. Color Wow Speed Dry Blow Dry Spray works like a shrink wrap to squeeze water out of the hair without dehydrating it, and it is shown to reduce hair dry time by 30% or more while protecting the hair from heat damage. I'm starting to blow dry my hair more using a diffuser to try and help get more defined curls instead of frizzy mess. So that'll be kind of interesting to try with this. So the next item in here is a Bigger Than Beauty Skincare Defying Gravity Deep Hydration Moisturizer. Retails for $49. It's a rapidly absorbing gel cream moisturizer, locks in hydration and smooths the appearance of fine lines for visibly reduced radiant skin, infused with revitalizing antioxidants to nurture and protect skin's moisture barrier while soothing the look of fine lines and improving skin's elasticity and firmness. This kind of looks like that'd be kind of good to try out. From Saints and Sinners is a dry finish texture spray. Retails for $27.50. I do love, one of the things about this box is that they're mainly all full-size items. So it's designed for salon and suitable for all hair types. This innovative texture spray goes on dry, invisible, and flake-free, thank you, and adds an instant volume, texture, fullness, and body for runway-worthy hair at any time of day. Most of the time I'm trying to not have so much texture, so we'll see about this one. From Riddle is the original roll-on. It does retail for $58. Riddle's original roll-on fragrance oil is a high-end pheromone oil that adjusts to your body's natural chemistry factors like hormones, genetics, diet, of course, for pheromones in order to enhance and accentuate your unique individualized scent. It's kind of different that it doesn't really, you can't say, oh, this smells fruity or this smells musky. What if somebody has a stinky scent? Because if I smell it right now, I have nothing. I'm not really smelling anything. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I don't have pheromones. I don't know. From Euphoria International is a beautifying serum. It does retail for $46.75. Oil complex made for hair, skin, and scalp. It's kind of different. It's made for all of that. This lightweight and fast absorbing formula delivers superb moisture, softness, and shine, which adds with added antioxidant and antibacterial benefits, making it the perfect all-in-one oil for preventing heat and environmental damage while controlling frizz and creating otherworldly shine. For my hair, oil does create shine, but you know what? It also helps dry it out. So I don't think I'll be using this one. It'll either go in today's giveaway or a future one. From Neostrada is a foaming glycolic wash. Does retail for $40. It's a high strength AHA cleanser featuring glycolic and known to visibly even skin tones and help product from science-backed skincare brand Neostrada is designed to exfoliate and cleanse congested pores for skin that is cleaner, brighter, and more radiant. It is a foaming wash. I can't do foaming wash because I have more on the drier skin, and drier skin foaming washes are not a good idea because it strips away your natural oils. So from Dewy Hours is an exfoliating body glove. It does retail for $18. And the plant-based exfoliating body glove effortlessly and gently sweeps away dead skin, fake tan, and impurities to reveal silky, smooth skin. Created to painlessly and deeply exfoliate your body with just water. Dewy Hours exfoliating body glove targets an array of skin concerns like dry and flaky skin, keratosis, pilaris, ingrown hairs, body acne, razor bumps, and more. From Sierra is a change agent, a magnetic original lipstick. Mine is in the shade Daring Pink. It does retail for $20 and more than your average lipstick. The Change Agent Original Lipstick delivers a full impact color with luxurious satin texture that melts comfortably onto your lips and stays throughout the day to hydrate, heal, and nourish. It is available in 20 shades, and just one coat of this product provides long-lasting color without dehydrating feeling that comes with many full impact lipsticks. Here's kind of what the packaging looks like. Ooh, she's pretty, and I don't think I have anything like this. Kind of looks like what I have on now, but this is a ColourPop cream stick. Ooh, she's pretty. Kind of looks like that. I really like that one. From Ollie is a Goodbye Stress. Does retail for $13.99. Say goodbye to unneeded stress. With just a few bites, thanks to the wonders of Ollie's Goodbye Stress Gummies, the delightful and delicious gummies are blended with key actives to help counter the acute effects of stress and mental tension for your most zen self yet. I wish they'd stop putting gummies in here because people need to research what they're taking. And they can talk to their doctors, and putting it in something like this, I'm not all about that. Just say that. Last item in here is from Mud Masky. It's a vitamin infused eye serum. It does retail for $63. And it's created with a blend of natural vitamin C. This powerhouse eye serum moisturizes the delicate skin under the eye, reduces puffiness, and provides you with the most youthful looking eyes yet. What was your guys' favorite thing in here? I think the lipstick is my favorite. What is your guys' favorite? Let me know in the comments down below. Secret word of the day is winter. Last thing that they do include is the NewBeauty magazine. Look how beautiful Padma looks on the front. And there's all sorts of tips and tricks, new products, that sort of stuff, all in here. In the description box down below is a Google form. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. Make sure to put on it your YouTube name and also that secret word. Bonus entries that you can get, but only fill out the form once and mark on it if you did do the bonus entries, if you did actually do them. But don't, because I do check and you don't want to get disqualified, so don't mark if you didn't do them, is what I'm trying to say. So your 4 ways are: number 1, go follow me on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you go follow me on X, formerly Twitter, that's BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. Third way is if you follow me on TikTok, it's Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB. And your fourth way is if you share it with your family, friends, on your social media accounts. Make sure to tag me on those social media accounts if you do them. Absolutely love seeing those. Way for me to get back to say thank you so much for sharing it, because I really do appreciate it, and it means the world to me when you guys do it. And I just wanted a way to get back and say thank you. YouTube's no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day, and you must be 18 years old or have your parents' permission to enter. Giveaways we open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you. And I just realized we didn't even say what we're giving away. Okay, let's give away that body glove to one of you guys. So let's have the giveaway go through January 12th, midnight Mountain Standard Time. Then on January 17th, what I'll do is, if everybody's done what they're doing on the Google Forms, take first name, first initial, the last names, put those in the computer. The computer spins it all around. We all see the computer do that, and the computer picks the winner. I don't, so don't ask to win. And as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. If you like the video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays to all of you. Have a beautiful day, you guys. See you soon. Bye. Good luck in the giveaway. Woo!